Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a video explaining how to put brad nails into this Arrow 2-in-1 staple and brad nail gun. First, you have to have it upside down, just like this, because the brad nails go in here. And you push this button, you push it down. You can have it this way to push it down. You just have to push it up, push this up. Or you can have it this way, and you just push it that way. I like to have it this way so when this part pop out, it won't scrape my finger. So what you do is you push it in just like that, and the brad nails go in here. Now, if you put it in, this way, it will not close. See, it will not close, and you might damage it too. So, make sure when you put it in, it's on this side. Hope y'all can see that. It's on that side. There you close it up. Voila. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button. Bye.